Hey folks, this is a really simple process. Was power washing my Ford Edge with this little tiny power washer. That's what I was using right there. And anyway, follow on the video to see what happened. Sharp. I think we're getting a new grill. This is done. This is definitely done for. Yep. Wasn't hard to peel it all off, so that's what it looks like underneath with the chrome off of it, but I'm afraid it's a lot harder to get this stuff off than just power blasting it, so I'll probably just buy some new black inserts and have them painted and call it a day. All it takes is one pinhole, folks, and some water to get under there, and then it just peels right off. Yep, folks, can't make this up. Power wash the chrome right off of the grill insert. I will tell you that these chrome plated plastic is not the best thing in the world. All it takes is a couple of rock chips. Next thing you know, you got a little bit of water under there, then it freezes, and then eventually it permeates its way under, and that's what facilitated the dechroming of this insert. So once it starts, you can't stop it. There's no way to stop it, so you only have two options: replace with the original chrome again, or take and buy a new set of inserts and have them painted like I do to color match the body. So that's what's going to happen to old Blueberry here in the future. Remember, like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. MACTFORDEDGE and Facebook, MeWe. Subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, ring the bell, and my feet hit the floor today, and I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's always got good music. Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners, and follow on stuff, maybe of me finishing washing the car.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.